Man, me and my boy then took it back to the old days, man. Before we was out here driving, we used to go to this John Burroughs and be out here on these fixed gear bikes. We've been watching people get them for a minute, and I wanted to give me one, but I've been taking my time trying to handle life because they kind of high and expensive. But finally pulled the plug when they got one, man. We about to be sliding. So we was trying to put some air in this joint, but I forgot it got different tire adapters, so we gotta get the adapter like that, man. Put some air on this joint. This thing is looking good with the reflectors. It's take me all the way back to middle school, man. Shit's crazy.
The 9.2 fucking
Like the Spark.
it's pretty sick.
Yeah, see, I like the feeling of this. You know what I'm saying? For sure, MTX wheels I have.
Yeah, you can ride it, dude, if you want. It's alright. I mean, it works. It's not like any of the old school, like 2009 style stuff like that is. That's my fucking RYD Havoc.
Are these resist tires?
What's up?
These resist tires?
Yeah, that's the resist 26 too. So it comes with the fucking resist 26 too, which you can't even fucking get.
I had an Urbis with a resist crank on there.
Alright. How do you Those are the wheels it came with, and then I just put 2 tires I had and 2 tubes on it. I got it set up. You want those too?
Hell yeah. This way better, man. Yeah, I gotta just get that, change that back hub so I can put the back wheel on. Man, I like this one. This shit is nice.
Yeah, the back tire.
Even the color though.
Yeah, no, it's fucking man, dude. I had that bike, like I built it for myself. Like I did everything to it. Except like the half link chains, like everything.
Yeah, so you went super wide with the forks.
Dude, listen to this shit, dude. The freewheel on it.
Yeah. Crazy.
Yeah, I'd like to work on this bike.
So we just finally made it back to LA. We just left Huntington Beach. My boys went and picked up his. I went and grabbed the extra set of wheels from the guy. Most people, like back in the day when I had my bike, I like the 26 wheels with the bigger, thicker tires. I'm not a fan of these baby tires and deep dish rims. I like mine to be more for like heavyweight and doing tricks so it can handle the weight. These rubber thin tires, I'm not a fan of. They'll pop on your ass real fast and you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere. So I made my first little purchase for the bike and got these thicker set of tires. I gotta just swap out the hub. I already know how to do it. Like I said, I did this shit years ago in middle school. So I'm gonna take off the hub, swap it out, and get it how I want it. But you already know how I do it, everything custom. So I might see this bike matching my Harley and my son dirt bike in a few days. But about to get this back going, man. Feel good to be back out here sliding. I'll slide these joints out. So we're back in the shop, man. Back in this joint, working on this glide today. About to get this thing complete, get everything going. So I got a couple of motor pieces off. I was gonna take the powder coat. I didn't take it yet because I wanted to take everything. If y'all know how powder coating work, y'all know that you better off taking everything at once than getting something a little bit lighter or a little bit darker the next time. So I like doing everything at once, but today the final day, I'm not fucking playing. I'm about to take that up there, get that done, pop that last piece off, throw them pieces on there so we can get that going. Right now, I am assembling this back fender. I'm about to put that third tail light on. I'm about to finish throwing these bags together right now, throw them on there. I gotta put this one little sensor right here. I'm about to throw that inside of the head, put the rocker top box back on top, close it up, assemble everything else, and go from there. Trying to get it complete. Once I get the bars back, I'm gonna have to get the wires soldered up so I can roll it off. Then I could jack it up, switch the wheels, and I want to put my bike on here so I can start getting some stuff done with that after I finish this one. But we coming, man. We about to get this work in, so stay tuned, man. We coming. So I completed a little bit of stuff in the meantime. I've been working. I finally bolted down the whole complete rear. I had everything on here, but I never had everything like bolted, Loctited, because I wasn't sure about what I was gonna take off and put on the powder coat and whatnot. But now I got a glimpse of everything, how we going with the bike. It's game time. So I bolted and Loctited the whole back of everything back here. Got all this stuff tight, put the rack on. This bracket, I'm gonna actually swap out with another one. I was gonna try to paint it and prime it and all that, but I don't wanna do that. I'd rather get the one like my boy just ordered and throw that one on here. Be nice LED and ready to go. So we're gonna rock that for now until we get that other one. I'm gonna get some zip ties and hang these wires up to here. But we got everything bolted on that joint. So we got it coming together. Finally got the third tail light. Everything is finally coming as it should. We sliding, man. So we're about to work on the rest of the bike so we can get everything going. About to go make this powder coat run as soon as I pull off. So we're gonna knock two things out in one. Then we're gonna finish assembling everything, man. So stay tuned, man. We coming. This thing is looking better and better. I can't wait till we have that front and back rim on here with that nice color. It's gonna look real good, but it's coming together, man. Got this thing about to be up and rolling. So we made a lot more progress on this joint. We done got the bags fully complete, the side panels on there. We got the whole back end complete for now. I got all the little plastics, everything back to normal. Little cover holes, everything. Gotta just, like I said, get that bracket, get this thing a good wash. But we got everything like we wanted, nice and open. So we in the game. Got the red latches like I was saying. Also the red bag latches. So we coming, man. It's looking a lot much better, a lot much more complete. Once I really get the bars back from powder coat and I assemble everything else, it'll look a lot much better, but we're coming, man. Got this thing looking much better. That's what it's all about. Elevating, completing, and on to the next goal. So we're about to go slide. That's the front fairing right there. We're about to go slide to the powder coat, go drop this off. Got to go slide behind Tonio and drop that leg warmer off. So stay tuned for that, man. We're about to get this work in and keep hustling like we doing, man. Knocking these bikes out. Stay tuned, man. We coming.